everyone, welcome back to my garden. If you're new with me, my name is Lani and I'm from El Paso, Texas, Zone AB. And today we are going to install edge right edgers. So their claim to fame is that it's supposed to be easy install, safe for pets because of the rounded edges, and no dig. So we're going to take that and see how that works with our caliche hard soil here in Zone AB. And I'm going to have a special assistant today, which is my husband. So stick around and we'll see how this goes. So my husband has already started unboxing the edge right edgers, the ones that I got. I will link all the description and details about it in the description. So it'll tell you exactly what length we purchased and how much we purchased for our backyard. And if this works out great, then we're going to definitely buy again for our front yard. So we're pretty much just getting into it. The first step we're going to be doing is we're going to remove all our old, busted, rusted edgers. We've had these for over 10 years, so I knew that these were going to fade already, but we just didn't know it was going to be that bad. Dustin, you're doing such a good job.
Thanks.
So far, Dustin already had more than half of the backyard edgers taken out. We had these original edgers from Lowe's, and I can't remember how much it cost, but I believe now they're about $28 to $30 each piece, and they lasted us maybe a solid 5 to 7 years before we started seeing all the rusting and metal degrading. And so we were like, we needed to get a new edger that's going to last longer and definitely worth our money. And so we came across Edge Right, and more or less our goal is to have it patina and it matches our desert landscape. After Dustin removes all the edgers, the previous edgers, we're going to go ahead and use a shovel to scoop up all the mulch and dirt back into the garden beds. And after that, that's when we'll go ahead and actually install the edge right metal edgers. All right, so far so good. This is the first piece, and you will know how far to dig it in because there are teeth on these edge right edgers, and you just pretty much hit them down until you don't see the teeth of the edgers anymore. You need a mallet, and you're going to need some kind of a block to go ahead and help it. I've seen in videos where they have an edge right block and mallet, but I don't think we got one. If it's in another box, we haven't found it yet. We did not open up all the boxes yet. And so we're using a piece of wood that we already had and a mallet that we already had as well. So far, so good. We have hard caliche soil here in Zone 8B, Texas, and we have a lot of rock in our yard. So what Dustin's doing now is he's ensuring that it's not only installed up to the teeth of the edgers, but he's making sure it's going through the old gravel that we have back there underneath there, and making sure that it's not actually hitting any of the brick layout that we have lining our garden bed. And you could see right here, it's lined up with the edges. And the top part of it is not sharp at all. So this should be pretty safe for children and for animals that do like to go into the garden bin, like my two pups. All right, first piece in. So far, so good. As you could see, especially in this part right here, you see the first one went in. You don't see any teeth. You see the second one. You see the teeth right there. So that's how far we know we need to hit down. All you have to do is line them up, hit down, so it's even. And then there's a clip that we were going to use to hold those two pieces together.